Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia. If this is your first time here, if not, welcome back. Y'all, let me install it really quick. Let me show you guys really quick how I installed it, and then let's go over some quick details that you guys need to go to the hair store to buy this hair. If you guys saw the previous braidless crochet that I did like this, one of the biggest complaints were, hey sis, I need to be able to redo the front, slick down the edges, but I can't do that because the hair is on the bun. So what I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to take this section, this bundle of hair, and crochet it onto this ponytail holder, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. But that's just so that when you need to redo your ponytail like this up here, if you want to do a ponytail, if you want to do the buns that I'm doing, it's easy for you to take it on and off and redo the front of your hair. That was a major not really complaint, just like concern, like, hey sis, how are you doing that? So I just wanted to show you guys this method to put it on a ponytail holder. That way you can take it on and off depending on if you need to redo your hair or not. Just wanted to stop in and say that because this is a little different than the previous method that I did. Okay, so let's get into the details. You guys did see where it is a true braidless. No braids were harmed in the making of this video. It is a true braidless crochet hairstyle. I did one before, different hair, but same hairstyle. And I'll link that below. But then I wanted to try something shorter, especially with the summer coming. I really didn't want anything too far on my back, so I did want to get something shorter. So I was scrounging the internet's hair details. This is the Lulu Tress Chunky Twist Out. I got color 1 because duh, and then this is in the 10-inch. So I didn't have to do any heavy cutting, and I'll put a picture of this so you guys can see exactly what it is, maybe like here or in like my thumbnail so you guys can see exactly what hair. But yeah, this is a 10-inch. They had I think they have longer ones. I don't want to say for certain which ones they have, but I know I wanted something shorter. So this is a 10-inch. I love that I didn't have to cut it. I just had to do the flyaways, and that was it. This hair, so bomb. Soft, a little bit softer than the ringlet wand curl, not as silky as the go-go curl, so somewhere in between there. So for the conditioning method that I used the dry shampoo. I did not soak it in conditioner, so I didn't think that that was needed. So I did do dry shampoo. I did not have to soak it in conditioner. And you guys saw the curl, so the curl wasn't that big, so me being able to separate it twice was more than adequate, more than enough to do the install. Like I said before, this comes in 3 bundles, so I don't know if you can see it. That's 1, 2, and 3 there. And I just purposely said I'm only going to do 1 bundle on each side of my hair. So 1 on this side, 1 on this side, and then I probably didn't have to do the entire bundle on the front to make the bun, but I wanted a big bun. If you don't like big buns, you don't have to put the whole entire thing on there. But yeah, that was it. And guys, that's it. Like, this took less than 1 hour. I legit was watching CSI Miami while I was putting this on. And yeah, it's the reruns, but I like Horatio. Anyway, it took less than an hour, guys. This hair is absolutely amazing. It is less than $10, like I said. I will link exactly where I got it from because my local beauty supply store did not have it for $10. So I will link it where I got it from. If you have any other questions, guys, feel free to reach out. Questions, comments, concerns. I appreciate you guys watching my videos and supporting me and giving me all the love. And for those that aren't doing any kind of love and are coming at me with negativity, just know that you have been deleted, because I'm only positive over here. Thank you guys. Don't forget to check out all my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.